Hello everybody, welcome back to another Dead by Daylight video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Bulldozer WESKER build. Now this build, you basically don't even have to worry about pallets because we are using Spirit Fury. So when you break 2 pallets, you unlock it, and the next time you're stunned, the entity instantly breaks the pallet. Then we have Dissolution. So after you injure a survivor, it activates for 20 seconds. And if a survivor fast vaults in front of you, then the entity will break that pallet. Then we got Brutal Strength, so you destroy pallets, walls, and generators 20% faster. And then finally, we're using Bamboozle, which is very good for WESKER because of his vaulting ability, which it makes your vault speed 15% faster. But yeah, and for the add-ons, you can basically use anything. I'm very excited to use this build. WESKER is a very fun killer to use. But yeah, let's just get straight into the first game. Alright, the first map we have is the Garden of Joy. Let's go ahead and find everybody. I see scratch marks right here. Yep. Alright, we still got the hit. He's not gonna drop that. He's gonna drop it down. Oh! Okay, I forgot about the Dissolution. Hold on. Nice. Yep. Dissolution came in clutch right there. It broke the pallet. We forgot about it for a second, but still got the hook. Yep. Who's over here? I think I just saw the Alucard. Yeah, there he is. He's like going in the corner of the map. Dodged it last second. Yep. Go ahead and vault that pallet. I mean, vault that window. Okay. Oh, where's he gonna go? Oh, what's he gonna do here? Yep. Alright, nice. Second hook. Oh, come on. Alright, nice. They almost got that. This guy's probably sitting behind a rock or something. Let's break everything. Oh yeah, look, they're all healing. They're like rats. Go ahead, vault. Oh, she had lethal, or not lethal, Blythe. Where'd she go? Oh yeah, she's... Yep. Go ahead and drop it. Nice. Okay, watch this. She's gonna think she got me right here. Oh. Yep. Okay, this should be a down. Alright. Oh, she has boiled over. Alright. We gotta like quickly get over here. I don't like how these gens are so far apart. But yeah, there's somebody. Oh, they just popped 2 gens. Yep.
We are merely postponing the inevitable.
Okay. Watch this. Oh, that was so close. Okay. Okay, now we got Spirit Fury and Dissolution, so this guy can't do anything. He's gonna vault. Wait, what? Oh my god. I should have known. Good. gonna drop this. Oh no, he's not. Should be a down. Alright, nice. Bamboozle, just block that pallet for him.
7 minutes is all I can spare.
Okay, there's a yellow card. Okay, Spear Fury.
Are you trying to make me?
He's gonna pre-drop every pallet. Alright, nice. Let's put this guy on a hook fast. Yeah, they can't get that. It's right behind me. I'm just not gonna turn around. I'm just gonna... Yep, they're behind this rock. Alright, nice. Okay.
Too bad you won't.
Pretend to pick up. Go ahead and drop it. Nice. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me cook. Let me cook. Give me 1 second. Just go ahead and drop the pallet a little, bro. That guy's dead.
You'll pay for that.
This guy might be dead in a second. Hold on. Okay, and the ash is over here. Yep. Oh my god. No way I just clutched that. We have to put these guys on hooks fast. I swear to god. If one of these guys has on breaking, that would be crazy. There's no way I just clutched. That guy's dead. Where's all the other people at? Oh, one of them just Cheryl Mason just DC. That's crazy. Just take your loss, bro. Just take your loss. I'm just good. I'm just like that. Yeah, here's this girl. Or this dude. Yep. Let's put him on this hook. Hopefully I can find this girl. I have no idea where she is. Where is she? I hear... Oh, she's literally right here. Alright, nice. Let's just wait for that Cheryl Mason to die. If that bot can just give up. I want to mori this person. There's no way I just won this game. Like... I think if I didn't have Dissolution, that Alucard would have got away and they would have just picked everybody up. So the moral of the story is that you should always have a good build, because you always win. Alright guys, well, if you enjoyed this video, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about this build, and make sure you subscribe and like. I'll see you guys in the next video.